What's up, online shoppers? So let's get this out of the box. Take a look at this. This is a battery compartment for your Garland. So it's gonna take D-cell batteries. You need 3 of them. And there's even a function on here that allows you to set a timer. So you can just turn it on or off, or you can set the timer, which I think is pretty cool. This is really pretty. I just happen to have some D-cell batteries. Okay, let's load this up. Open the compartment, load in our D-cells. Just like that. Now these are mini lights, so they're not gonna burn a ton of energy, which I like. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, this is pretty. Let's fluff it a bit so we see the full effect of it. So this one here is battery operated, and it is the Carolina pine. So it's got some pine branches worked in with the standard spruce branches, and it has actual pine cones. They're real pine cones, which I really like. Now this is 9 feet in length in total. So I'll set it out like this so you can actually see the length of it, and it is really, really pretty. The cones are all natural, so there's all different shapes of them, and I really like that. There's smaller ones, there's bigger ones. Let's give you a close-up. So here is a close-up of the Garland with the pine cones. You can see how nice the pine cones are. Really, really pretty. I'm super happy with the quality of this. Now this is just coming out of the box. It's not all fluffed up. I will definitely give you video footage of this Garland all fluffed up, but I really, really like it. I love that I can set it on a timer. I think that that is a really cool feature as well. Out of the box, this definitely has exceeded my expectation. These pine cones, they're super pretty. And the little white lights, I love the color of them. It's a little bit brighter than a warm white light, and I really like it. This is definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house.